All right, today we're going to start two-step inequalities. You're going to solve the two-step inequality like you would a two-step equation. So the first thing we're going to do is the same thing. We're going to draw a line, okay? And the next thing we're going to do is the opposite of plus 5 is minus 5. And what we do to one side, we do to the other. So in your calculator, you're going to go negative 16 minus 5 and get negative 21. And then we're going to bring that negative 3x down. And then we're going to divide by that negative 3 and divide by that negative 3. All right, so x equals 7. Negative 21 divided by negative 3 is 7. So x is less than or equal to 7. Okay, this is the big side, so that's going to say x is less than or greater to 7. Now I want to say this, because we divided here by a negative number, we're going to flip the sign. Okay, so now it becomes x is greater than or equal to 7. All right, only if we multiply or divide by a negative number, we're going to flip that sign. So now let's put it in a number line. All right, so with this equal to sign, that means we're going to put a circle, and it's going to be a closed circle. That means it's all the way filled in. And ask yourself, if x is greater than or equal to 7, which way is it going to go? So x has to be bigger than 7. So it's going to go to the right. Okay? All right, so x is greater than or equal to 7. That means the answer can be 7, or it can be 9, it can be 22, it can be anything as long as it's greater than 7. All right, let's do the next example. 2y minus 4 is greater than negative 12. So I do plus 4, negative 12 plus 4 is negative 8. So 2y is greater than minus 8. I'm going to divide to get rid of that 2. So y is greater than negative 4. Now, this is negative, but it's only when it's over on this side or with the variable. I'm not dividing or multiplying here by a negative. I'm dividing by a positive. So I'm not flipping the sign. So y is greater than negative 4. So when I draw the number line, so y is greater than 4. It's going to be an open circle. An open circle, because there's not an equal to sign right there. An open circle. So y is greater than negative 4, and it's going to be to the right. Okay, now try the problems on your pod. You're going to work it out and draw the number line.